Hi friends, welcome back to my channel with a new video. So in this video, we'll just see the scenario based interview question 2. Okay, so all these questions on string package only. Okay, so the scenario is split the each character from the given string. So for example, that string is automation. Okay, so it should be split like this. So first it has to display A, and second it has to display U. So third T, and fourth O, and then fifth M. So like that, so it has to display. So how to split that given string here? So one by one, so we'll see in the today's session. Okay, so let me go back to automation anywhere. So here I already created that task. Okay, I'll just explain to you. Okay, so first what I'm doing, so I have created one variable called vword. So in that vword, I'm storing that automation value. Okay, that is default value I'm giving here. So after that, I'm just finding the length of that word. Okay, for that you just use the string length. So how to take this string length? So you just type here string. So in that string package, you can find that length. Okay, length is there. So take that one. So give the vword variable. So I'm just assigning that to this variable, integer return variable I'm assigning. So that is type of number actually. Okay, integer variable return, that is digit. Okay, number means digit only. So after that I am just converting that, so that integer variable number to string I'm converting that one. So use this one. Okay, or else you can type this whatever it is showing here like this, and then I'm assigning that to vlength variable. So I'm that length of this word I'm displaying in the message box. Okay, and after that I'm creating two variables. So one is vCounter, I'm assigning value to 1 to this variable, and I'm creating one more counter, that is loop counter, I'm assigning value as 0 to for this loop counter. I'm taking loop here, so while loop. Okay, so take the while loop. So in loop you just select this one, while loop. So in the while loop I'm selecting condition, comparison condition. So v counter variable I need to provide here. So the condition operator condition is the greater than or equal to 0. So the targeted value is 0. So that v counter value is greater than or equal to 0. It should be greater than or it should be equal to 0. Okay, so I'm incrementing the value of this loop counter value. So I'm using this one. So you just type, you can just take this v counter 1. After that, you can just type this one. Okay, this value you can type it. Okay, I'm converting this number to toString again. So then in the if condition, so we again we are comparing that one. So you need to take the if condition. So that comparison command, so v counter is greater than or equal to 1. So it should be equal to 1, or else it should be greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so in that scenario what we are doing, we are extracting that value substring, we are using it. Okay, so that is also available in the string again. So in the string you can see substring, use that one. So I'm giving the v word. Okay, then that counter variable is there, right? So that I'm just converting that string to number. Okay, so length of that string is 1, because we are finding that first character and that length is 1. So second also, if you are finding the second character, so that length also we are taking only 1 only. Okay, so each time, so if that counter value it will take, and it will take only length, and I'm assigning that to this variable temp clipboard assignment. You can create any variable. So I'm just creating temp clipboard assignment. Okay, so here that variable also you can see that is also string type. Okay, temp clipboard, it is also string type. Okay, and then I'm assigning, I'm copy clipboard, I'm using it. So in the action you can just type clipboard. Okay, here you can see copy option is there, right? Clipboard copy to. So this one you can use it. So that I'm assigning this variable. So here in the substring we are using this one, right? Temp clipboard assignments. This variable only I'm assigning to this clipboard copy to. Okay. And after that I'm displaying that in the message box. And so in the line number 14 and 15, I'm just incrementing the value of this counter variable. Okay. This counter variable I'm incrementing here. So just use v counter plus 1, assigning back to the v counter. So this legacy automation I'm doing. So v counter you just convert that to string. So that's why we need to use this parse variable operation. And after that, if v counter greater than v length, so now length is 10. Okay, if it is greater than 10, so we need to break the loop. It should not continue with the infinity loop. So that's why I need to break that. So now let me run this one. So how it is going to split that character. So we are having automation, right? That is length of 10. So it should give length as a 10 and then it has to split the each character. See, length of word is 10. So now the first character will see A. See, it is splitting like this. Second word U. Okay. T O M A T I O N. Okay. So like this we need to split the characters from the string, given string. So this also they will ask in the interview question. Thank you for watching. Bye.